Hello everyone, let's talk about how salt spray testing can save cost by preventing product failures. In the manufacturing world, product quality is everything, but even small product failures can lead to big losses financially and reputationally. What if you could prevent these failures before they happen? Corrosion is one of the biggest culprits behind product failures. Rust weakens materials, damages products, and creates a ripple effect of issues, customer complaints, replacements, and damage trust. This is where salt spray testing comes to the rescue. Using advanced technology, it simulates corrosive environments by exposing materials to a controlled salt-rich mist. The goal to identify weak points in coatings, finishes, and metal before they fail in real-world conditions. Here's how salt spray testing helps you save costs. Detecting and fixing issues during the design phase, avoiding expensive calls and warranty claims, reducing material waste and rework, boosting your product's durability and lifespan, engineers analyzing results and improving product designs. When corrosion resistance is tested early, manufacturers can confidently launch products that withstand the toughest conditions. This means fewer failures, happier customers, and stronger brand loyalty. Think about it, investing in testing upfront can save you thousands of dollars in long-term cost while protecting your reputation. At Pacorr, we are committed to helping manufacturers create reliable, long-lasting products. Invest in salt spray testing today and stay ahead of corrosion challenges. Visit www.pacorr.com to learn more.